Welcome to the StoreShot tutorial video. We'll begin by creating a project. Enter the name of your app in the description. These will be used to help guide the style of your generated screenshots. After you have created your project, open the project settings panel from the top right. Here we will add the app logo and generate a color palette from a reference image. If you don't have a reference image, StoreShot will generate the color palette automatically from the screenshots you add later. If you don't already have them, start collecting screenshots for the app that you are generating assets for. In this example, we'll use screenshots from StoreShot itself. Each screenshot uploaded from the project page becomes a screenshot row. After you've uploaded your screenshots, add a description for the image. Describing the specific feature your screenshot illustrates works best here. Here I have included a screenshot of an empty state in the app, which won't make for an appealing marketing asset. For this reason, I'm going to remove that screenshot. To include multiple screenshots in a single generation, click the Add button under an existing screenshot. I'm going to add one more screenshot to illustrate the project page for the StoreShot app. Tap the thumbnail of the generated image to view a larger preview. From here you can share or download the generated image. If you made a typo or just want to reword your description, you can do so by editing the description and clicking Regenerate. This will create a new version of the generated image. For this version, I will also update the color palette. By using the logo as the reference image, it ensures the palette adheres to the brand colors. Also for this version, I will be generating the image in landscape mode and include the logo. Landscape images will respect the original screenshot orientation, so the generated image will display your screenshot in a device frame with the correct orientation. Compare versions by tapping the versions badge and pick the one you like best. Now that all the screenshots are generated, it's time to download them. There is no direct connection to App Store Connect, so you'll need to download the images and upload them manually. I'm downloading them one by one, but you can also export the project, which will be a zip file with all of your generated images. And finally, upload the images to App Store Connect. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at storeshot@draggable.io. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future features. Thanks for watching.